What's good, y'all? Your boy Bear from Bear's Lair. Usually, I am in a bar or something on Fridays drinking. Kids put a wrench. The bear doesn't say no to play with his cubs. So, I'm trying to build a snowman, which is absolutely horrible. Getting snow on my face is all crunched up. Look at that. The snow isn't packing right now. So usually I don't drink in front of the youngsters, but I got to right now. I don't know what the hell's going to happen the rest of the night. But play with your kids. Have a beer and have fun. And as always, peace.